Okay, in this lesson we're going to use Google SketchUp. We'll just start using SketchUp here now. Okay, so first things first, middle mouse button, okay, control key, I should pan around like this, and the shift key will let you move like this also, okay. So for the moment we're going to Alt middle mouse button, and we can roll back a little bit here, and shift middle mouse button just to pan over here. So I'm going to create a building, just a basic building, a house for our game in Unity. So I've chosen this button here, the rectangle, so it's left click and the red line, and that should do. Okay, now we're going to use press pull. We're going to click here when it goes all dotted on the screen there. That's to the height of this person here, but we'll go a little bit higher. And it should be okay. Alt and the middle mouse button. So I'm going to draw another rectangle on top here. Just come up to this edge, click and click again and pull it up. That should be okay. And click this space, push pull to the end here, end point. And we're going to draw a line from here to the midpoint there, that's the center. Click again and there. Okay, so now we go push pull, click this space here, pull all the way to the end, and the same here. And there we have a basic house. So next thing we need to do is add a material. So we go to Window, Materials, and we will go to Brick here, and we'll choose this brick. Actually, what we'll do is we'll create some windows. Okay, just click here, click that face, and if we hold down Control and click the Move tool, we can move it over here. And again, click the end point and move one over there. Okay, so what we'll do is go to Window, Material, and we'll go to Translucent, which is glass. Drop it in there, and we can see inside our building. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a door. So just click on here, door there should be okay. So again, Window, Material, and I think it's Colors. We go for a red door. Okay, so there's our door. Okay, so we'll create some brickwork. So Window, Materials, Colors. Actually, we'll choose Brick and Cladding. So we'll use this brickwork here. Just click and drop. And there also. Okay, so now we're going to go for roofing. We'll choose this roofing. Okay, and there is our building. So shift, and what we'll do is we'll click on this lady here, delete her. So now we need to go to File, Export, 3D Model, and we'll put it for the moment on our desktop. We'll give a new folder, we'll just go House. And we'll go House here also. And Options. That should be okay. Yeah. Then just go Export. Now we minimize our screen. Here is our house folder with our materials for our house. So now when we go back into Unity, Just click on the terrain. And I think I'll put this house. We'll put it here. Okay. So we have to make sure the land is flat. So for our house. So 105. Okay. Now what we can do is, should be a matter of just dragging this folder into our assets and dropping it. And here is our house that we just built in Google SketchUp. So we should be able to just drag the house in here. You can see here it's massively big. So we click on the house here and go 0.5 and go apply. Still too big. So we go 0.01 and go apply. It's a little bit better. So you can move this over here. F to focus in on the house. Oops. Okay, and there is our house. Now, so we'll move our third person controller. Actually, we'll delete him and go back to the house. And we'll import and we'll bring up a little bit further. Just click on the house again over here in assets. Make it a little bit bigger, 0.5 maybe. Go apply. Still too big, so then 0.3, 0.3. So now we click play. We can run around and explore our house. We can also run through the house, which is not good. So to stop that from happening, we click on the house and we go generate colliders. And go apply. And when we click play, we can not go through the house. Okay. So if you can see that house, the picture is very flat and boring. Okay. So what we need to do is click on the materials here. And we click on diffuse. And we just change this. Okay. On water bump, okay. So you can't really notice it here, but if I change, give it a little bit more light. If you look down here at this box down here, what this is going to do is change it from a flat picture, make it more bumpy looking. Okay, so I'm going to here now. You can just about see it's a little bit bumpy. It's not a flat picture anymore. Okay, and we can do the same with the roof. Diffuse. Select here. And you can notice it there. It's a little bit bumpier. Okay, so I selected none there. It's just a flat picture. We could have added that one if we wanted, but we add this one. Okay. So again, this is just a quick lesson on how to actually do this. A basic house.